Make sure the subfloor is clear from dust and debris. Ensure the floor is level. Uneven floors can affect the installation and performance of your system. Apply a leveling compound if required. Lay a damp-proof membrane to prepare the area to accommodate the PIR insulation. Lay the PIR insulation panels, ensuring the depth of the insulation meets building regulations. Cut the insulation using a handsaw to gain a tight wall-to-wall fit and ensure the floor is fully covered. Install the perimeter insulation to prevent thermal bridging. Finish preparing the floor area by laying a slip. This is installed directly to the PIR insulation before any underfloor heating pipework is laid. Refer to the CAD design. Ensure the pipes are laid a minimum of 100 mm from the wall. Choose which of the listed pipe spacings is required to achieve the desired heat output. Secure the pipe in place by pressing the pipe staples directly into the PIR insulation. Lay the floor screed and smooth the surface using a long straight edge such as a spirit level or piece of timber. Install a leveling compound. Apply a neat coat of ultra-primate MSP bonding primer using a roller, allowing to fully dry to a clear green film. Lay your desired floor finish using a Class II adhesive. Ensure the manufacturer's guidelines are followed. Fastwarm Staples solution provides a quick and easy way to add underfloor heating to your home. For more information, call us today.